We'll graph our next equation in the rectangular coordinate system, and then we'll state the domain and the range. We're given the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. Now in this case, we can see that this is in the standard form of a circle, because the standard form of a circle is x minus h, quantity squared, plus y minus k, quantity squared, is equal to r squared. So we can identify that it's a circle based on the fact that we have an x squared and a y squared, both with positive coefficients, and the coefficients are both the same. This indicates that it's a circle. The h, comma, k represents the center of the circle. So really, our center is just the origin 0, 0, because if I wanted to rewrite my original equation, I could write it as x minus 0, quantity squared, plus y minus 0, quantity squared, equals, I could write the 4 as 2 squared. So the center is 0, 0, and the radius is equal to 2. In order to get the radius, I just take the square root of that number 4. So now we're ready to graph this on our rectangular coordinate system. Let's start with our center of 0, 0. Since the radius is 2, I'm just going to go up 2 on the y-axis. I'm going to go 2 to the left on the x-axis, down 2 on the y-axis, and 2 to the right on the x-axis, all from that center of the origin. And then I'll sketch as best I can a circle that has a center of 0, 0 and a radius of 2. Now let's talk about the domain and the range. The domain are all the possible x values. So if I look at my graph, I can see that my x values go from -2 all the way to +2 on the x-axis, and they can include the values of -2 and +2, so we'll use the closed interval. For the range, I really look up and down the y-axis, and I can see that my range goes from -2 also to +2, and it can include those y values, so again, I use a closed interval.